We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India.
Hello and namaskar to all the viewers. In a continuation with previous lecture, now we are going to learn how analysis of WRC beam with over reinforced section is done. For that, I have already written one example. Let's first read. A beam 250 mm by 500 mm effective depth. So let's draw the cross section first. Width is 250 mm and the effective depth is 500 mm. Is reinforced with 2 number 16 mm dia compression steel. Means in compression zone, 2 number 16 mm dia bars are provided. This is called ASC. And in tension zone, 4 number 25 mm dia are provided. Number 25 mm dia, and this is called AST. Effective cover in both sides is 50 mm. So in tension zone, E is equal to 50 mm, and in compression zone, which is called D dash is also 50 mm. Materials used, concrete is N20 and the steel is Fe415. Find moment of resistance of the beam. Here B is given 250 mm, small d is given 500 mm, E equal to 50 mm, D dash is equal to also 50 mm. In compression zone ASC 2 number 16 dia. So in this way we get the area so 402.12 mm square and AST 4 number 25 dia. So we get 4 into pi by 4 d square, pi by 4 into 25 square into 4, 1963.50 mm square, M20 and Fe415. What we need to find moment of resistance of the beam. In previous lecture, I have already told to find moment of resistance of the beam of WRC beam. First, we need to find the value of FSC, which is the stress in steel in compression zone. So first, we find FSC. Here again, we will find it using handbook as well as IS 456. First, using handbook, page number 13, table F. For that, we need to find D dash upon D. We have D dash 50 mm and the effective depth is given 500 mm. So 50 divided by 500, we get 0.10. Using d dash by d equal to 0.10 from table F, and for Fe 415 grade steel, we get directly FSC value 353 Newton per mm square. Right? Now, using IS 456. So using IS 456, first we need to find the XU max value. So XU max by D equal to 0.48, from where we have written IS 456 page number 70. In page number 70, various steel for various steel grade, the value of XU max by D is given. From there, for Fe 415, we have written XU max by D equal to 0.48. Therefore, XU max equal to 0.48D equal to 0.48 into 500, 0.48 into 500. So we get 240 mm. After finding the value of XU max, we need to find the value of strain, and its equation is 0.0035 XU max minus D dash upon XU max. When we put the value, we get strain equal to 0.035. XU max is 240 minus D dash is 50 and 250 minus 50 divided by 240 into 0.0035. So we get 2.77 into 10 raised to minus 3 is equal to 0.00277, right? Now, once we find the strain value, we have to find stress from IS 456 page number 70. So from page number 70, table 23A, right? We get the FSC value, page number 70, horizontal line is, let me explain again. This horizontal value is strain and the vertical value is stress. They have given this and we need to take values from this line. Okay. So here our strain value has come 0.00277. It means almost 0.028. And in IS, they have given the value for 0.003. So it is almost near to 0.003. Again, what we have to do next, we have to draw the parallel line from this line. And this parallel line, when it intersects, we have to extend that line, and that extended line where intersect on the vertical line, this will give the value of FSC. So again, we get the FSC value 0.85 Fy equal to 0.85 into 415. When we calculate this, we get 0.85 into 415, 352.75. It is almost 353 Newton per mm square. Right? The value from handbook as well as from IS 456 can be same. Once we find the FSC, next we have to find the value of XU, which is depth of neutral axis. So in WRC beam, how we calculate the value of XU? To compare total compression is equal to total tension. Total compression is equal to total tension. Total compression is C1 plus C2 equal to total tension is T. Now C1 0.36 FCKB into XU plus C2 means FSC ESC and T means 0.87 FYAST. Now put all the values. 0.36 FCK is 20, B is given 250 and XU is our interest. FSC 353 and ASC 402.12 equal to 0.87, Fy is 415 and AST is 1963.50. When we do the calculation, we get the value of XU as discounts 0.87 into 415 into 1963.54 minus 350 into 402.2 divided by 36 into 22, 250. So we get the value of XU 314.99 mm. Okay. Once you find the value of XU, the next step is to find the value of XU max. So in finding the value of FSC, we have already found out the XU max value, and that is 240. XU max equal to 240 mm. Now compare the value of XU and XU max. Here we can see that XU is 314.99, it is almost 315, and XU max is 240. So here XU is greater than XU max. It means our section is ORS, over reinforced section. So what will be the change when we have section URS and when we have section ORS? So the basic difference is in the equation of moment of resistance, we have to use the value of XU max instead of XU. So this is the basic difference between URS and ORS section in the case of analysis of WRCB. Now the final step is moment of resistance C1Z1 plus C2Z2 is equal to 0.36 FCK B into XU, but instead of XU, we have to write XU max. Z1 B minus 0.42 XU, but instead of XU, XU max plus C2 FSC into ASC into Z2 D minus D dash. Now put the value 20 into B, we have 250, XU max we have 240, into small d we have 500 minus 0.42 into 240 plus FSC we have 353 into ASC 402.12 into small d is 500 and d dash is 50 mm. is equal to this counts, this is again one counts, this and this counts. Right? 0.36 into 20 into 250 into 240 into 500 minus 152. To 236.33 into 10 to 6 Newton into mm equal to 236 into, right? So in this way, we can calculate the moment of resistance of WRC beam having over reinforced section, right? Again, I repeat, the main difference between URS and ORS section in WRC beam while calculating the moment of resistance of the beam, the basic difference is in the equation of MR, when its a section is ORS, you have to take XU max, and when the section is URS, you have to take the value of XU. This is the main difference. That's why I have taken the another examples having ORS section, right? I hope you have understood this. So we conclude this session here. Thank you.